In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a CSV in Google Sheets. A CSV file is a simple text file where your data is separated by commas, and it's one of the most common formats you'll get from downloads, exports, or other apps. Bringing that data into Google Sheets lets you organize it, analyze it, and share it easily. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the full process step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your browser and go to Google Sheets. If you're not already signed in to your Google account, you'll be prompted to log in. Once you're in, you'll see the main Google Sheets homepage with your recent spreadsheets and templates. From here, you have two main options. You can import the CSV into a brand new sheet or into an existing one. To keep things simple, start with a new spreadsheet. Click on the blank spreadsheet option so Google Sheets opens up a fresh, empty grid. At the top left, you'll see the menu bar. Click on File, and from the drop-down menu, select Import. This is where you'll bring your CSV file into the document. A window will pop up with several import options. You can choose to upload a file from your computer, select one from your Google Drive, or even from shared drives. Click on the Upload tab if the CSV is saved on your computer. Then either drag and drop the file into the window, or click Browse to locate it in your folders. Once you've selected your CSV, Google Sheets will start processing it. Next, you'll see the import settings. This part is important. Under Import Location, you can choose whether to create a new spreadsheet, insert a new sheet in the current file, or replace the data in the current sheet. For most cases, Insert New Sheet or Replace Current Sheet works well if you started from a blank file. You can also adjust how separators are detected, but usually Detect Automatically does a good job, especially if your file uses commas. When everything looks good, click Import Data. Google Sheets will load the contents of your CSV and display them in rows and columns. Take a moment to scroll through and check that your headers, numbers, and text all look correct. If something seems off, you can always undo and repeat the import with different settings. And that's it. You've successfully imported a CSV file into Google Sheets, and you're ready to start working with your data.